I'm Joy, and I am so excited that you decided to come to Joy for STEM's lab today. Now today we're going to investigate Miriam. Now she was a real life hero, and she was a big sister. Are you a big brother? Are you a big sister? Do you have a little brother or little sister to take care of? Well, Miriam took care of her little brother when he was in danger. And Miriam is an example of what it means to be brave. So, today I decided I want to be brave just like Miriam. So, I thought, how could I be brave? I know, I'll be brave by taking a jar and filling it up with water. And I'm going to turn it upside down. So let me go get my jar. Got it. This water is a little boring. I think I'm going to add red to it. Ooh, that looks good. I wonder what will happen if I add blue. Swirl, 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 swirl. Red and blue make purple. Wow, that's so pretty. So I think what I'm going to need is a piece of cardboard. There we go. All right, you guys, I'm gonna be brave. 1, 2, 3. I think I need to pray first. Dear Lord, help me to be brave. 1, 2, 3. All right, I flipped it over. Now, let me move the cardboard. Wow! Even though water is powerful, the air inside is more powerful than the water, so it holds it together, and all the water stays in place. Now, that's like God. Even though we can't see Him, we see His power. That is good news. All right, boys and girls, we are going to be brave for God. Amen. All right, kids, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Let's remember to be brave, just like Miriam when she took care of her little brother. I hope you enjoyed today. Bye.